What's up, guys? In today's video, I will show you 5 of the best free resume builder websites and what each one is the best for. First is Steal. It's a great choice if you want to help you with your job tracking and keyword optimization. You can also import your LinkedIn profile and create multiple resumes for different jobs. Next is Resume.io. This is a good option if your main goal is ATS optimization. It helps identify formatting issues and missing keywords. And it also includes AI tools for improving your bullet points. Then, we have Kick Resume. It's useful if you need help writing your resume. Its AI tools can help improve your wording and make sure your experience sound more professional. Another option is Flow CV. It's great if you want more customization. You can create multiple resume versions and use its template without adding a watermark. Finally, there's Canva. Canva is ideal if you want a clean and modern looking resume. It offers many templates and makes it easy to customize your design. So, which one should you choose? For job tracking and keywords, try Teal. For ATS optimization, go with Resume.io. For AI writing help, try Kick Resume. For customization, choose Flow CV. And for design, Canva is a great option. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.